Yo dudes! Welcome again. You'll see Dave has transformed into the beautiful Terrance.
Hey
Terrance comes from Goah. Terrance works with us. He's a super cool chef, and today
we're gonna cook a veg vegan biryani, which is very simple, and it is normally from the south part of India. So we're gonna start now.
Lovely, great. I'm excited. Biryani is one of my favorite Indian dishes. I think it's fabulous. Real aromatic normally.
It is very aromatic, and we have a lot of, you can see, a lot of different things in here.
Okay.
I know that it looks very complicated, but we'll keep it very simple.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, great. So, pan on high heat.
Yeah, high heat, please.
Oil.
3 tablespoons of oil.
Oh, Terrance likes oil. Terrance likes oil.
Start with the black pepper.
Great. Kind of about a decent pinch.
Decent pinch, yeah. And then we'll have
Quarter teaspoon.
sliced onions.
Nice. So that's about 1 red onion.
Yeah,
Medium sized red.
Yeah.
1.5. Okay, red onion. Black pepper. Nice. I've never seen black pepper. Like over our side of the world, black pepper is always at the end. It's always seasoning. Whereas yours is more, I guess, one of the base flavors.
Flavor, you know.
And with these, are we frying these until they kind of go brown, or what way do you want these fried to?
Light brown, you know. Then we're gonna add some vegetables. So now we're gonna add cauliflower florets.
Okay, that was about half a cauliflower that me and Terrance just chopped into les florets. What do you call? What's that called
Florets,
in? What do you speak Hindi or what is it?
Cauliflower is gobi.
Oh, just gobi. Okay, that's it. Okay, I knew that. Sorry, excuse me, from aloo gobi. You were saying biryani is from Hyderabad.
From Hyderabad, it's from south part of India, so it's very famous in there. And
they cook it. You were saying with like dough on the top or something.
They normally put a lid on and they make a dough out of flour and they just cover it so the all the flavor stays in, you know.
Very cool.
Doesn't come out, yeah. So we're gonna add some carrots.
So that's just kind of diced carrot, about kind of half a carrot.
Half a carrot, yeah. Then we have some French beans.
Okay, nice.
Then I have a small piece of ginger here, which I'm gonna chop into very fine pieces.
Okay, nice. About a thumb-sized piece again.
Yeah.
Or a little more. That looks like a nice, generous amount. Great. Lovely.
Bit of low heat now because I don't want them to burn. So.
Okay,
and
nice.
here is a garlic.
Okay, garlic. That's about
2 cloves of garlic.
2 cloves of garlic. Again, you really chop that finely.
Yeah.
Just to really release its flavors.
Then we have 1 green chili.
Ah, of course, I love it. Bit of spice. And you're not even chopping it that finely. You like a big chunk.
Big chunks, yeah.
So when you catch it, it's like boom, a little explosion in your mouth. Okay, and seeds in, obviously, Terrance likes it hot and wants to kind of burn my mouth. But if you're not Irish and you're more accustomed to chili in your diet, go all out.
Yeah. Then we have some caraway seeds.
Caraway seeds, okay, lovely.
Not much, just
about half teaspoon?
Half teaspoon, yeah.
So that's caraway seeds, okay, lovely.
Then we have some
raw potatoes. Okay, cool. So they're just raw potatoes, in they go?
Raw potatoes, yeah.
So the potatoes are parboiled, so you've kind of cooked them before, so they're largely cooked?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh yeah, they're cooked, so we've already cooked the potatoes. So it's just a handful of cooked potatoes.
And we're gonna use a bit of water.
Okay, wow, lovely. Wow. That'll almost like semi-boils and steams.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that to kind of create a bit of a sauce or to cook the potatoes more and soften them?
Then we have a bit of chili powder in here.
Red chili.
Red chili powder.
This green chili wasn't enough.
Bit of turmeric powder.
Oh yes, oh yes.
And bit of garam masala.
Garam masala, I love how you say it.
Actually more of garam masala, maybe a 2 tablespoons of garam masala.
Okay. And it was just a pinch of chili, pinch of turmeric.
Yeah.
About 2 teaspoons of garam masala.
And the coriander powder.
Coriander powder, okay, nice. How much coriander do we use? About a teaspoon or more?
Around teaspoon, but you have to use more of garam masala so you get nice flavor, you know.
Garam masala tends to have kind of more like a clove kind of notes.
All the dry spices.
Yeah, it's kind of more cinnamon, aromatic. Yeah,
cinnamon,
I get
cardamom, like all of
almost
this.
nutmeg in it.
So we have a nice dill leaves in here.
Dill, okay, dill. Wow, lovely.
Just chop it into small.
And would dill be typically used, or what would it be typically?
It's a fenugreek we're gonna use actually.
So fenugreek would be traditionally used. If you can't get your hands on fenugreek, we use dill.
Dill leaves, yeah.
Because I guess fenugreek leaves are quite rare this side of the world. But wow, it looks nice.
A few bit of cardamom cloves.
Okay, nice. Just put them in whole like that.
Yeah.
Just the pods and let them. Yeah. And as they heat, they'll pop up, and the flavors,
the flavor will come out. Yeah.
I guess it feels quite authentic when you get a cardamom pod cut in your teeth as well, doesn't it? Feels the real deal.
Strong flavor.
Yeah, I love it. Cardamon's quite a sweet, I think it's very almost sweet, fragrant,
Sweet
aromatic.
fragrance, yeah.
Like almost, yeah, beautiful aroma.
Now we have a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, generous teaspoon of salt.
We have a coconut yogurt.
Okay, lovely. Yogurt's often used at the base of many Indian dishes.
Many.
Yogurt is deemed like kind of one
Yeah,
of the,
It
I
is
guess,
really
foundations.
Yeah, it is really good for the digestion as well. So
Yeah. So here it's just to add creaminess and to add body tar sauce and a bit more fat. A little bit more
Yeah.
creaminess.
So you can use like 3 tablespoon, big tablespoon of yogurt.
Okay, lovely. Looks very cool.
So we're gonna keep it.
Can I
Let
taste
it-
it? Can I even just taste
Yeah.
it now? Just I'm just interested.
Yeah.
Wow, a lot of flavour already.
Yeah, so
It
we
almost
just
there's a
gonna-
nice sweetness off it as well.
A little bit of water so that let it simmer for a while, because we want all the vegetables to be cooked evenly, especially the carrots and the cauliflower.
It tastes quite balanced. Like there's
Yeah.
nice sweetness,
and the tangy and
dill, and then there's
yeah.
kind of the acidity coming in, and there's
Yeah.
nice body from the coconut. Already it's tasting fab.
We have some green peas in here.
So that's just a handful of green
Green
peas.
Yeah.
I guess biryani.
Look at the color there.
Yeah, it's
really
fab. Beautiful. Biryani that we see this side of the world will always have green peas in it. It'll just make it pop and that kind of
yeah.
burst of colour.
Yeah. Now we have some mint leaves here. I'm gonna just chop it so that we can finish it off with the biryani.
There's a lot of fresh herbs. Like I know there's coriander.
Yeah.
We use dill, and now we're using mint. So it's
Mint,
quite a lot
yeah.
of like it's
Yeah.
bringing fresh, strong herby flavours. And you were saying earlier, typically a biryani will take about an hour to cook from start to
Yeah,
finish.
it takes around 1 hour, 5 to 10 minutes, you know. So,
Okay. And it's kind of a celebration dish in India. It's
Yeah,
kind of
it
like one
is.
that
So
people.
it's a main dish, main dish. Probably most of the Indian people like to eat this, like a main course for the dinner. So we have the rice cooked here
Okay, so this is the rice. So
with caraway seeds and the bay leaves and bit of salt.
and literally we took 250 grams of. We went with white basmati rice. You could use brown if you wanted to make
Yeah,
it a
you
little
can
bit
use brown as
healthier.
well, yeah.
We cooked it 2-part water to 1-part rice. Boiled it, put a little bit of salt, a little bit of caraway seeds, and a couple of bay leaves. And that just made it just introduced more flavour to it, that it actually, even the rice in its own right now tastes great.
So now this is the main part. I have
Oh, the
some
main part.
saffron here, soaked in hot water.
Saffron,
Saffron, yeah.
beautiful.
So I'm
Saffron
just-
is more expensive than gold at the moment on a pound per pound ratio. So you've literally just hot water and saffron.
Saffron, yeah. I just
Just a
soak for
pinch
like,
of saffron.
Just a pinch of saffron, and I just soak.
And
for
why
like,
do you soak it? Just that it gets bigger and more.
Yeah, so that it leaves the color and the flavor of it,
Okay,
So
lovely.
just
Okay, and you'll add the water in too.
into that.
The water's gone really red.
Yeah, it goes red and the yellow.
Wow, like there, so that's saffron there. Wow.
Yeah.
And you'll just rehydrate it just so it'll have
Yeah.
more juiciness
Yeah.
and more vibrant colour.
Perfect.
It's very vibrant there. Now bring in a third pot.
Almost done. We are
Nice.
slide this.
Okay, this one here. So this is the layering up. This is the kind
Yeah.
of the grand finale.
Yeah, exactly. So can you just put for me some
The
rice?
the full amount or
No,
just a little bit?
Just half.
Okay, half the rice.
Just
Okay.
one layer. Small layer. Yeah.
Okay, so we're layering it up. Okay. So we have the pan on heat
Yeah.
and kind of medium heat.
Medium heat.
And we're
Yeah.
putting in about half of it. And the rice does smell quite aromatic with the kind of
Yeah.
bay leaf and caraway, yeah. Okay, so now for the layering. Now it's the layer of veg.
So now we have the layer of the mixture.
Okay. Or what? How do you say vegetables?
Bhaji.
Bhaji. Okay, bhaji. In goes our bhaji. Bhaji is just vegetable.
Yeah, it's just.
Wow. Looks cool like that. Look, have a look at that. We're beautiful.
So can you have another layer of
Another layer of rice.
rice?
This,
please?
are we doing? Is this the
Just
last
little
layer?
bit. No,
Or just a little bit? Okay.
little bit. Yeah. Just want to-
A little bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
So we have the heat off here.
Yeah, we have another layer of
Bhaji. More bhaji. More vegetable bhaji.
more vegetable and
Are we going with all the veg?
yeah.
Okay, nice, and top off with rice. I like this bhaji. This is good bhaji.
So we're gonna have
And then in with the rice.
Yeah.
What's rice called in Hindi?
chawal.
Chawal.
Yeah.
Okay, chawal and bhaji. And biryani. Okay.
Spread the remaining saffron
Saffron water.
water, bit of coriander leaves,
Mint leaves.
mint
lovely.
leaves,
Terrance.
and
Beautiful.
few roasted cashew nuts,
Terrance, you're spoiling us. This is fabulous.
and this will give a nice appetite for it. Almost.
Okay, and we're going to cook it more.
Just a little bit heat.
And we'll just leave it the layering
leave
as
it
it is.
there,
We don't
yeah.
even.
No.
So the rice, the bottom almost starts to char, is that it?
Yeah, let it get a little bit warm. And now I have some fried onions here, crispy fried onions.
Okay, so we fried them. We didn't want to show you because we fried them in quite a bit of oil, and they go wonderful and crispy. And obviously, it's not the healthiest thing, but it really does. It's used in traditional India to kind of garnish a dish,
Garnish
isn't
it,
it?
yeah. It's very. You have to be very particular while frying them. You don't have to burn them because you have to be very careful while taking them out because the process of cooking stays. So when it is like just light brown, you just need to take it out so that it gets golden brown color, not burnt.
That's
you know?
beautiful. Yeah, it's very
I'm just gonna
crispy.
sprinkle them on top.
Oh, that's a nice. That adds another kind of level of delicacy and kind of sense of occasion to it. Terrance, this is beautiful. And then you'll just turn the heat off.
Yeah. So we are done with the biryani.
And that's it. Kaboom, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and you'll just. How do you serve it then, or what's the way?
So
Oh, I'm really excited.
very important when you're taking it out, you know, never put a spoon right in the middle. So you just have to place the spoon right on the side.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
And then
Terrance, here we go. The unveiling of the biryani.
yeah.
Terrance, I'm excited. Our bhajis and our, what was rice again?
Chawal.
Chawal. Okay, oh wow, lovely. Bhaji, chawal, biryani. Oh, it looks beautiful, Terrance. I like the contrast of the rice, like some of the rice has gone yellow, some of
Yeah.
it's white.
Yeah.
There's a lot of veg. Those onions look
A lot
cool.
of color. Yeah. So you get a bit of gravy, like, you know, and then the rice.
What kind of gravy
Yeah,
that's going to from our from our bhaji, from our kind of veg.
Yeah. You can have
There
a
we go.
taste.
Terrance.
Is it nice?
Beautiful. And the fresh herbs are fabulous. The herbs really add that just fresh vibrancy to it.
Yeah.
Like that bang of mint is lovely. Another mouthful I'm going to get it here is coriander.
You can get nice flavor of mint.
Those
you know?
onions are, whew, they add
Yeah,
a total
fabulous, yeah.
layer of just nice bang of chili to it too.
Yeah.
That is really delicious. Really delicious. So this takes about an hour or 10 from
It
start.
takes around an hour for it to cook because it's a lengthy process. It's simple but a lengthy process, you know.
But it's so tasty, genuinely really well worth it. Like really, there's a lovely balance. And I know it's white rice and there's kind of fried onion, but wow, if you're into kind of authentic cooking, this is fabulous. Thank you, Terrance. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. It's nice.
Delicious. Dude, thanks a million for watching. This is Terrance, babe. I'll put his Instagram down below. Terrance lives in Greystones. He works with us. You can come meet him one day.
Thank you,
Thanks
guys.
for watching. We do have a new cookbook out if you're okay, there we are. If you're kind of interested, it's our favorite cookbook yet. Excuse me, my mouth's full. It's called Recipes for Happiness. It's all vegan and we kind of talk about what makes us happy. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and sending lots of biryani love. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.